Hello, good morning, everyone. This is Zach from XIFU. So, if you are watching together with me, appreciate if you can help me to click the like buttons for me. Help me to share this out. All right. And again, a quick disclaimer over here. This section here, we are not doing any buy and sell call. So, if you want to trade any stocks based on discussion this morning, make sure you have your own trading plan. If not, get advice from the professional. All right. So again, market remains to be slightly boring. Nothing exciting actually, but at least getting better compared to what we see a few weeks ago. All right. So now let's look into the overall IBM KLCI first. We see what's the direction for today, and let's see what's the opportunity we have today. So again, I only trade so far is Celcon, partial profit already So because looks like want to test the resistance a bit challenging right now. So take some partial profits. Then yesterday also I actually entered Hata Lega also. So okay, now something interesting. Okay, so again, like I say, 1500 remains to be a key resistance area. Of course, also you want to watch out the 20-day moving average. So looks like right now they are also kind of like resisting. Okay, the 20 MA area. So this is what we call, somehow the inverse pullback patterns. Okay, afraid will be formed in the FPM calcium also. So let's say market is not bullish. Okay, it's a taker rebound for me. It still is a taker rebound for me. There's no sign of reversal yet. So make sure probably want to be extra careful if you are looking for short-term opportunity. Okay, you want to go in, go out tight. Okay, make sure you want to be extra careful. Okay, so now let's look into the overall Cal SE indices. Okay, right now I can say most of this is red. Yes, there's some mixture over here. Energy, healthcare, okay, is in green. This is I think so far it's only the energy and healthcare only, right? But healthcare turns to red already. Let's see. Energy still in green. How about healthcare? Okay, transportation, logistic. Okay, healthcare still in green. Okay, but it's not a very big green. Okay, let's see. Okay, all right. A small green only, a small up canvas. Okay, nothing so fantastic about this. Okay, I think today only glove is making. The gold market is making some movement. The rest is pretty quiet. Okay, let's start with Celcon. Let's start with Celcon. Okay, Celcon is yesterday actually closing. It's not that great. Okay, but luckily I'm able to do some partial exit. Okay, still holding some. Let's see whether it will hold. Of course, best is that they remain 310. Okay, remain 310. I think will be good. Okay, this is Celcon overall. We can look into Hata. Let's say Hata hourly chart got pullbacks on. Okay, actually Hata hourly chart is very nice for me. Okay, it actually show a little bit of so-called patterns that forming a nice pullback. Okay, so again, this is a gap area. I think is worth to pay attention to. So we got a couple of COC happening around this area also as a per area. Now this is a candle that I think it kind of attract my attention. So this is one of the reasons why yesterday I decided to go for Hata. Okay, so this is for me currently. This is the area that actually they are building support. Okay, let me see. Probably 2.15. Okay, so this is the area over here, 2.15. So as long as the price above 2.15, I think will still I would likely still will continue hold. Okay, just entered yesterday. Hopefully this can hold. Okay, like I said, based on hourly chart, this is a gap up, pulling back to the gaps, and this is what we call hopefully. Okay, it's a pullback completes from here. Okay, now let's look into others glove as well. We take a look into Kosan. Okay, because as we checked yesterday morning, Kosan pattern is actually following quite closely with Hata as well. Okay, yes, over here, right? So this is your latest support, but in the end, I decided to go for Hata because looks like based on chart pattern wise, Hata is slightly stronger. Okay, compared to Kosan's right now, but Kosan also pretty good overall actually. Okay, now let's get into Top Glove. Okay, Top Glove also holding more around the gaps. Okay, so looks like they are trying. Okay, to do a little of wash, okay, around the gap areas as well. Okay, so basically most of the chart is quite similar for me. Okay, actually 3 is very similar, but in the end I decided to go for gold sun better. Okay, now today only glove jalan. The rest looks like uh, nothing much to see lah. YXPM also I think gold related. Okay, let's switch back to daily chart. Unless you got any counters for me, you can type it below. Okay, if not, probably just going to end our sections. Okay, again a quiet, boring morning. Okay, nothing really moved actually, but at least okay better compared to what happens before CNI or during the riot periods. Okay, so our mask actually didn't notice also. Actually, they do a nice shakeout completes. Okay, here. Okay, a nice shakeout completes. It's kind of similar to MYAG. Okay, probably MYAG also you can actually check that out as well. All right. So this is Almas shakeout completes. Okay, probably will range again between 850 and hopefully to 950. Okay, now let's take a look into nice. Okay, this one Joel. But nice no trend reversal. Okay, today got lah, maybe got chance Joel. But still too early to tell. Okay. Okay, now let's look into the overall direction first based on weekly chart. Okay, this is a long period accumulation. Okay, nice actually is in a nice accumulation. Okay, somewhere down here, a long period of so-called accumulation. Best support is somewhere around this area, which is the closest one, 1.25. All right, so seems that they are bouncing off, okay, from the current support, which I think is okay. Nearest resistance, I would say somewhere around here, somewhere around this area, 165 lah. Actually, still got some rooms to go. Now 140 already. Main one should be here, but I think here not easy to try lah because previously we got few round already tested. Okay, maybe we'll stop at 160. Now, I'm not sure what is the time frame you're looking into. Long term wise, I think it's okay because this chart is an accumulation chart. Okay, and yes, they are very close with support. Okay, looking into chart, of course, if you look into percentage, but probably not because this is below 30-cent stocks, right? If you look into percentage. So, but in terms of, if you plan to hold for slightly mid to long term wise, yes, risk to ratio, I think is pretty good. Okay, you can actually aim until 20 cents, okay, which is the so-called the current main resistance. Okay, of course, previously they tested here, but this is how long? Almost 3-4 years ago. Okay, so probably you want to see something recent one. Okay, so risk to reward wise, I think it's worth to look into. Market stages, long terms in accumulation. Okay, now if you look into daily chart, okay, daily chart, today crucial day. Okay, let's see whether they will do reversal or not. Looks like right now they are still following the downtrend line. Okay, they are still following the downtrend line, but volume picking up. Okay, volume picking up, crossing above 140, probably close around 145. I think it would be nice. Okay, it would be nice. Okay, now speaking about reversal, okay, let's see whether some of these stocks got pulled back or not. Like we mentioned yesterday, Mr. DIY. Okay, against quiet market, good to look for stocks that can be shrank, do a little bit pullback. Okay, so what it means by shrank, this type of shrank signals. Okay, like Macquarie Security, MERSEC, right? I think last week we already talked about it already. They do a breakout pullback, and you notice there's a shrank also at the charts. So today looks like they are trying resistance. Mr. DIY actually looking into it together with Natias Pigma, but they didn't drop to the price I wanted. Actually, I want 150 or maybe slightly below. Sometimes I'm a bit so-called stingy one, right? Because market not so good right now. For example, I show you the KLCS chart is still in downtrend. So that's why I don't want to force myself to buy a higher price. Okay, but looks like this guy still boleh jalan. Okay, boleh jalan. But anyway, I just pop my alert at 150. If it hits, okay, I give a try. If not, probably I'm gonna miss it. And I look for the others. Okay, so now 99 peak mark. Also, the other day do a reversal. Yesterday, still didn't do any so-called pullback yet. Okay, so this is the line, trend line over here, cutting above. Okay, maybe later on we like this. So hopefully here we will spot some good strength counters coming up. All right. Okay, welcome, Joel. So, okay, any other counters you want me to look into, or any other stocks you want me to look into before we end our sections? Okay, a boring morning, I know. Okay, a boring morning because this morning, even though it's not bear market, but looks like nothing much. Okay, but like I say, it's a very crucial market for you to spot what stock actually having strength previously, and now they are slowly building a support. Okay, so low volume support I think is good. Now, yesterday I think we talked about Opstar also. Okay, remind me if I missed any counters. Sometimes I miss counter one. Okay, sometimes I when I decided today I want to focus these two, then the rest sometimes miss out. Okay, so Opstar looks like going to try lower, but here we got one strength. Okay, so as long as above this candle, I think we should be quite okay, right? But unfortunately, the so-called the short-term support, I think they break already, but still low volume. Okay, we need to see how it's closing. Hopefully, they close with a hammer later on. All right. So yes, on hourly, okay, looks like they're heading to 40 MA. So best you want to check whether got hammer or not. Okay, if you want to enter. So yesterday during the session, I do say that okay, Opstar, Hata, few more, but I enter Hata like at the end. The rest I skip dulu lah. IWCT, okay, Nadia speak mark. K group Salquan, okay, Salquan enter Dufu. Okay, now let's see this view. Okay, Nadia speak mark we review. How about IWCT? Hey, 3-day high volume. This one is pretty weird. Okay, but today started to do a little bit of low pullbacks already. Okay, see what's the closing lah. Okay, no rush, no rush. Because suddenly got 3 candle high volume, bit weird. Okay, looks like not doing hammer. Okay, still worthwhile to pay attention to. Okay, the other one is MYEG. This is the shaker complete together with P metal. Okay, so above 97 I think is okay. Looks like so far it's still testing well. Okay, today still looks like rebound from the 90 cents area, which is the current support area. The other one is P metal. Okay, so this is shaker complete. Same like Almas, P metals, MIG, Almas, same patterns. Okay, they are coming from the shaker patterns. Okay, now this one also P metal shakeout. Looks like now it's trading slightly below. Okay, but we need to see how it's closing. Yesterday volume actually is not the lowest. I thought they're going to be low, but it's not high lah. Okay, it's average, but prefer lower volume. Okay, like MIG. Okay, if let's say there's no stocks, I will end our section this morning. So once again, thank you for joining me. Okay, this morning over here. Yes, it's a boring market. It's a quick updates. But let's see how it goes later on towards the afternoon. Hopefully, you can spot more in this market condition. Hopefully, it will get slightly better. Okay, for the next few weeks. So now, if you like my channel over here, help me to click the like buttons. Help me to share this out and join my Telegram. Okay, now Kelvin got counters. Probably last one before we end. Holding. Okay, holding also a shakeout. Okay, I think someone asked me yesterday also. So here, shakeout. Okay, but in the same time, it's a triangle. Okay, now overall, if you ask me, they are still below this downtrend line, which is something that I also be slightly a bit careful. Okay, because I think previously I do mention. I think this is also DC related, if I'm not mistaken. So DC related counters I actually don't really touch right now. Okay, because they seems like there's a sign of distribution. Okay, in the background. All right. So if you really keen and want to, I'm not sure what's your strategy, but if you're looking for a quick momentum, breaking above this downtrend line, I think will be much more better. Okay, because when they break, maybe okay, you're going to change here, or even here. All right. If not, it will sideways. Afraid it will choke because of previously. Looks like got some sort of course, holding not that bad. Okay, if you look into like net gates, I think is yes, there's a sign of distribution, pretty obvious. I think Gamuda, yes, showing a little bit of distribution on the background also. Okay, but this one not that bad, just that again watch out because when the sector drop, everything drop together because all the tackle drop. Okay, so yeah, speaking about net gates in Gamuda, let's give it a try. But of course, you want to do short-term technical rebound, yes, you can do that because not everything go in the straight line one. Right? Downtrend also you will go into you won't go into a straight line. So probably yes, it will have a technical rebound. But this is what I mean. Whenever you spotted some distributions, right? You need to be careful. Of course, you need to see what's your strategy. Let's say if you aim for short-term rebound, okay, fine, right? But if you plan to buy whole, you probably need to wait for 6 months, 1 years down the road. Okay, I think it's like YTL is a very good example right now. Okay, welcome Kevin. Okay, let's try Gamuda. Okay, but YTL holding as support right now. So again, short term opportunity, yes. Okay, short term opportunity, yes. Okay, so today we see how it goes. Okay, Gamuda, same things. For those that who want to ask Gamuda here, okay, hits. I'm not sure we'll hit or not. Okay, I'm not sure we'll hit or not, but still below this line, I'll be worried. Okay, I'll be worried. Okay, if you look into YTL power. Okay, actually both of them the support is still okay, right? So hopefully from here we will see some sort of like a reaccumulations forming. Okay, so this is from since December until now, almost we go into May already for 5 months already. So this one can happen. So sometimes when distribution started, drop, reaccumulation, this one will take 1 year. Okay, if your stocks up for like 100%, normally the reaccumulation will take times. Right, so which is happening right now in YTL power. Okay, so I think with this, once again, thank you for joining me this morning over here. So if you like my section, help me to click the like buttons, help me to share this out, join my Telegram. We have more discussion in the Telegram. Okay, thank you, and I'll see you soon.